everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and as we approach the end of the year, this is the perfect time when I start giving you manifesting techniques to help change your life. As we leave this year and enter the new year, this is the perfect time to start setting your intent for whatever it is you're trying to manifest. So today, we're going to do a quick tutorial on the 369 manifesting technique, and I'm going to give you a 2025 tips to help you with your manifestation. So please watch this video all the way to the end. This is a powerful scripting technique, you guys. And listen, I get a lot of people writing me, telling me how it worked for them. And if you want the 369 journal, please look in the description and get my 369 manifestation journal, which tells you how to do this technique also and gives you space to do your 369 method. If you're new to My World of Metaphysics, this is a metaphysical law of attraction channel. Hey, that gives nothing but manifesting techniques, whether we're talking about the 369, the It Works, affirmations, bay leaves, cinnamon, everything is right here, all on one channel. So don't forget to like, subscribe, tap the bell, but most of all, just keep watching the videos. I'm back, everyone. Like, wow. What do I have to say about this technique, and what is it that you have to do? Nikola Tesla is one of the greatest inventors of our time, and he speaks a whole lot about these numbers, stating these are the numbers of creation, the 369. So now, what are we going to do with these numbers to help us manifest things in our lives? We're going to do the 369 method. Now, how we're going to do this technique is you basically really need to know what it is that you want. Not something, oh, I seen that, I seen this is what I want. No. What is it you truly want and why? Once you know, you're going to make a quick affirmation, very short, okay? So let's just say it's love. You're going to write something like, thank you God for blessing me with the perfect love. I am in love, he is in love, and we're both happy. Plain and simple. That's it. I suggest you keep it very short, no more than 2 sentences, okay? But I want you to be very clear. If it's a specific person, you can go ahead and do whatever you want to do with that actual affirmation or scripting that you're writing. If it's money, you can say something like, thank you God for blessing me with the $50,000. I am now financially free. Whatever it is you want to write, okay? You don't have to use God. You can use your higher self. You can use Allah, Buddha, whatever is your supreme being. But remember, there's only one God, and that God has many names. So then what are you going to do with that? You're going to write it, okay, in a book that you designate. If you have the 369 journal, it is just that good because it's set up for the 369. Or you can just use a regular book, everyone, okay? A notebook or whatever you're using. And you're going to write it out 3 times in the morning, okay? 3 times in the morning is setting the intent, okay? 6 times in the afternoon is amplifying whatever it is that you want, okay? And then you're going to write it 9 times before going to sleep. And that's going to put the stamp on whatever it is that you desire. Okay, so you are basically building something, amplifying it, and then stating this is done. Now, if you notice a lot of times in my books, I always put in there a saying to release and let go. In this 369 book, the saying is, I now release, let go, and trust. This is very important, you guys, because I get this every single day. People are doing techniques, doing rituals, praying to God, and then they're looking over their shoulder for when it's going to happen, what's going to happen, and everything. Almost like they don't trust. You trust that the sun is coming up tomorrow. You trust gravity is going to hold us here to the earth. So my whole thing is, why not trust when you're putting out something to the universe of whatever it is that you desire? So now, where are we going with this? You're going to continue doing this 369 every day for 28 days. Why 28 days? Because 28 days is a perfect time for your subconscious mind to grab a hold of whatever it is that you desire. After the 28 days, what are you going to do? Let it go. Let it go and trust that the universe has your back. Now, one tip that I want to give you guys while doing the 369 technique. While you're doing this, after you write whatever it is during the 3, the 6, or the 9, I need you to visualize yourself having whatever it is that you want. See yourself with that mate. See yourself with that career. See yourself financially free, traveling all over the world. Whatever it is you're writing on that paper, I want you to see it for yourself. And I want you to say, I release, I let go, and I trust. I release, I let go, and I trust. The next tip I want to give you is, please, you guys, and you already know I'm going to tell you this, take action. You cannot expect the love of your life if you're locking yourself in the house. You cannot expect that promotion at your job if you're not putting in that resume. The 369 technique works, but you have to understand the universe works through you, not for you. Okay? So it works through you as you take action steps towards your dreams. This is the 369 method. Now, some people might say, well, Yvette, what if I mess up? Okay? Listen, if you make one mistake, okay. You did the 3, the 6, but you couldn't do the 9 because you were out having dinner or went away or something like that. It is okay. But once you start missing multiple times, stop it and start all over when you have time to do this technique. And it is just that simple, you guys. Now, for those people that are still here, if you want to, you can amplify your manifestations if you want to by burning a simple candle, while you're writing at night, and sit in front of it and visualize whatever it is that you want. But you don't have to do that. I use parchment paper a lot of times when I'm doing things. If you don't have the 369 book, maybe you want to go to my website and get the parchment paper and start writing on parchment paper, you guys. But the only thing you need from my website right now, if you want to do this technique using a 369 journal, is to get the 369 book. It is also available on Amazon, you guys. Some of you might get results within 10 days, 20 days, 15 days. Others might get results in 40 days. Do not fear when you start seeing things not manifesting right away. Just keep moving, expect the best, and trust that the universe has your back. So again, you guys, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. Don't forget to sign up for my ritual channel where I'm going to do all of these rituals, all of these techniques within 5 minutes so you can just get to the information and move on to the next technique. Don't forget also to visit me on my website if you want coaching or a reading, or just sign up for subscription because I send out every couple of weeks a blog post with all of these techniques in it, okay? And don't forget to visit my Amazon store if you're out of the country and you want some of these things and you can't get them on my site. And again, you guys, don't forget to get out there and get my Simple Money Rituals book. If you like money rituals, this book has everything I'm talking about in this book. I don't care what technique I'm talking about. The It Works technique, the 369, everything is in here, you guys. So go out there and get this book. It's on my website. It's on Amazon. It's on Barnes & Nobles. It's everywhere. Ingram Sparks, even on Google. Just go right ahead and get it. So again, everybody, much love to you and namaste.